Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FYHXZYB Smart Energy Star Home Dehumidifier. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Right, so as we get this out of the box, first of all you'll have your user manual. You'll have the whole unit, and on the, you'll see there's a tube here, and it comes with another longer tube and some connections. As you can see, they're kind of taped together for our purposes of making sure that they don't come apart during the travel experience. One great thing is this does come with a handle. So also comes with rollers on the ground, as you can kind of tell, which makes moving it around easy and important. So I'm going to take this apart real quick and just kind of show you, because this is going to be the basin that's going to trap a little bit of water. All right, and before we get there, I do want to show that it comes with a 5-year warranty certificate, and I also want to show that there's an app. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate the app or anything because, frankly, you don't require it, but I do want to show you kind of how this thing goes in and out. Please note that, again, there's a handle on this. This top piece was taped down. I'm just making sure that there might be some more tape that you can see in different places. Anyway, usually you can leave this on and pour out through that position. Just be aware of that. This probably removes, let me just take my hands available for that. All right, so I'm actually not going to do that because as I read the instructions, there's actually a float in here that you can hear, and that's going to affect kind of how this thing measures and drains and everything like that. But I also want to show you on this side that you'll have connectors if you want to just pop in and handle any kind of draining. It's going to just kind of connect your drain right in through there, so just be aware of that. All right, so this is pretty cool, so I'm going to actually just show it as I plug it in. I just thought this was kind of cool. As you can see, this thing just kind of pops open on its own. You got a lock, a swing, a timer, a fan, a humidifier, mode, and power. All right, and so it immediately just starts going into the proper automated mode. You can adjust your humidity goals. You can adjust your fan, obviously the modes, all that stuff. And the swing, I believe, is this little door opening and closing, more of a kind of automated, so it's kind of blowing around. And of course, you got your child lock and all that stuff. So pretty cool stuff. I'm going to let this run for a little bit and see how we do. And also on the front, you'll have, again, kind of the number in case you're not sitting on top of it and that's blowing. It'll give you an idea. So again, drainage systems are available if you want to just put it into a pipe or anything, or whatever. I'm not going to demonstrate that, but you would just use your hoses and everything. I'm just going to kind of demonstrate with the basin. All right, it's been running for literally 2 minutes, and I just wanted to kind of tell you that it's already down to 63. And again, I kind of really like the swing capabilities. Just kind of, it almost acts like an extra fan in the room. So this thing is awesome. One other thing I wanted to point out is that you will be able to see the water levels in the basin. So pretty excited about this. So this thing's great to me. It does fluctuate a little bit. 64, it's been up to 66. Now it's back down. So it's just kind of measuring, and so the numbers will kind of float. And again, depending on what your humidity levels are, goal-wise, you can kind of there we go. You can set your kind of humidity levels of where you think it's comfortable, all the way down to 30%, all the way up to 80%. So to me, this is really, really cool, and I'm having fun with it. Again, if you like this blowing in your face, it's great. If you want to turn off the swing, you can just kind of lock it into a position and be done. Very cool stuff. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.